G'day guys, Greg here. Well, listen, it's a really exciting day today because KFC has released a new secret menu item. I'm going to go and grab it and, well, suss it out and show you all what it is. But first, we have to, order it. So, and it's only on the app. So what you have to do is grab your phone and you swipe down and then the little bucket man comes up. And then you have to wait, and sometimes it doesn't come up. Come up, sunshine! No, I don't want an app only. I want the secret menu. Come on, mate. Come on. Yeah! All right. So I click on that. And here we go, the Nug-a-Lot. $8.95? What do they think we are, billionaires? Anyway, here it is. Looks okay to me. I see cheese, so that's always a good sign. So I'm going to order this, and we'll be back in a tick for the big reveal. See you soon. Well, here we go, the Nug-a-Lot from KFC. Well, I don't know why they call it a Nug-a-Lot, because there's not much of it there. Goodness gracious. Anyway, let's suss it out. Yeah, all right. Oakley dokleys, folkleys. Let's suss this bad boy out. Well, say, I tell you what, mate, I'm not impressed. So, what do we get on this? One of their buns? Hope it's not full of sugar like their other ones. Ugh. Oh, well, there's some sauce on there, I can see. I've got 1, 2, 3 nuggets there. Looks like cheese. And then, it's got a fillet of chicken here with some lettuce and mayo. Oh, I wonder what sort of chicken this is. And I wonder what their sauce is too. All right, well, let's try this sauce. Oh, it's like a Mexican tasting sauce. That's weird. It's like a taco sauce on there. I didn't see that one coming. And this chicken fillet here, what's that? Original or spicy? What do you reckon? Let me know down below. Original. I think. Yeah, it is. Anyway, it's not looking too bad, huh? So let's go. Oh yeah. I'm tasting chicken. I'm tasting bread. Haven't got much sauce on there yet, but so far it's tasting okay. I better go again. That original recipe chicken. Look how much meat's on it. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, that chicken can get chewy sometimes, can't it? Like chicken chewing gum. Yeah, I mean, it's all right. It might take a little while to get used to, maybe. Yeah, that's it. Well, I got a bit more taco sauce in that one. It tastes okay, but they could have probably used any old sauce in this. The cheese is slightly coming through, and all the other things on it drown out the taste of the original recipe. Now, with a name like Nug-a-Lot, I would have thought that maybe it would have a lot of nuggets on there, but it only had 3, didn't it? Then I had that big, nice piece of chicken fillet there, but I wonder why they called it a Nug-a-Lot. I mean, they could have called it a chicken fillet burger, couldn't they? Could have called it a lettuce burger with sauce. In fact, for the price of it, they could have called it a Costa-Lot. Oh! With that creamy taco-y sort of sauce, it doesn't make it hot or spicy at all. But it's definitely there in the background, and, well, I mean, it gives it an alright sort of taste. Yeah, and flavour. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Cobber. I'll just have one more bite before I give it a score out of 10. Blech! Well, value-wise, $8.95. Oh, mate! That's a lot of money for this little thing. I mean, there's not much chicken on it, really. Well, there's like 2 slices, but still! It's only like hardly any, and mate, it costs a lot. Flavour-wise, well, I mean, the chicken on it's nice, of course. It's KFC. Who doesn't love KFC chicken? Maybe vegans. The chicken patty in here, that was nice. And the nuggets, well, I don't usually get nuggets, but I'm guessing they tasted alright. Altogether, it's sort of just a bit of an average sort of tasting burger. It really didn't send me to another level or anything. I wasn't excited sitting here eating it at all. I was just sort of chewing away. My heart rate isn't exactly going ba-boom, ba-boom. It's sitting there just sighing at the moment. There's not much to this burger, and a lot of the time that's better, you know. You're just getting all the raw materials and you can taste each and every individual thing. Except in this case, I'm struggling to taste half the ingredients on this, and, well, all I'm getting is chicken and bread, which I guess is half the ingredients, isn't it? But, yeah, the flavour of this, no, it's okay, but, mate, it's nothing sensational. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Nug-a-Lot Burger on the secret menu, I'm giving it 6.456545654556545654565456 out of 10. It really isn't anything special, and, well, it left me a little bit disappointed, especially with the amount of money I had to spend on it. It's not exactly exciting, and would I come back and get another one? Let's see. Yeah, probably. Well, there's a Nug-a-Lot Burger, new on the secret menu at KFC. Will you be whipping down to try one after seeing this review? If you do, and you're in the shop, just tell them Greg sent you. Listen, I've had management from KFC bail me up in the street while I was in Singapore once, shook my hand and said g'day. So if they know me, then hopefully the staff there will too. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review a burger. See you then. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger